There are many beneficial chemical components and minerals found in both cloves and lemons that contribute to human health. These include the ability to boost the immune system, flush out toxins, lower cholesterol, and keep blood pressure in check. In this video, I will inform you of the health benefits of cloves and lemon when ingested or consumed together in moderation on a regular basis according to a study. As many people are unaware of the benefits that both can provide to the body when consumed together in moderation on a regular basis. There are numerous advantages to drinking clove and lemon tea. Cloves are an excellent source of many nutrients, including calcium, potassium, zinc, folate, niacin, and iron. Lemons, on the other hand, are packed with nutrients including vitamin C, magnesium, vitamin B6, and iron. Simple dietary improvements can be made by drinking clove and lemon tea, which have two types of potent antioxidants not found in any other beverage. Helps prevent chronic diseases by decreasing oxidative stress and free radicals. Both of these meals are high in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that speeds healing from illness and protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Lemons contain beneficial plant compounds like polyphenols. Consuming clove and lemon-flavored tea has been linked to better heart health and a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Studies have shown that this practice lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease and boosts heart health. Hesperidin, a potent component of lemon tea, has been shown to aid in cholesterol reduction, which brings us to point number 4. Cloves, on the other hand, are loaded with beneficial elements like potassium, zinc, and vitamin C, all of which collaborate to maintain a normal blood pressure reading. Drinking clove and lemon tea on a regular basis is an effective and healthful method to strengthen your immune system. To do this, they increase the body's supply of white blood cells, which strengthens the immune system's ability to ward off disease. This is because they are loaded with vitamin C, which is useful in warding off respiratory illnesses. Conclusion: clove and lemon tea is easy to make at home and may be enjoyed whenever you like. The simple ingredients for this dish are 2 or 3 glasses of water, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, and half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you want to add cloves to boiling water, it's best to wait until the water has slowed down to a simmer and leave them in there for another 10 to 15 minutes. Cook for another 5 minutes to 15 minutes, stirring often, after adding the lemon juice. You can wait to serve it until it reaches the ideal temperature.